quick. So we over here getting ready to go on the sky tram, and Denoris over here is real scared. He's pacing back and forth.
No, I'm about to go.
He's over here. He's running away now because he don't want to talk in front of the camera.
Okay, sit down. Completely. Okay, yeah. Bend your knees higher. Alright. Okay, and okay, arms straight. Okay, arms straight. Bend your knees like that. Okay, alright. Oh my God, it's quick.
Oh!
Llega Romeo.
Thank you, my man.
I ain't gonna lie. Hey, it is fun. It is fun.